Back to crafting with Pui Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sublimate on these keychains. These are MDF keychains. I'm also going to show you how to make your own QR code in Canva and sublimate it on it so that when you go out, you can share your website with customers. And also how to do these, how to put them in the size so that you can sublimate it. Watch this video and let me know if you're going to try it too. I got these from Michael's, but you can also get them from Amazon. Let's do this. So here are my keychains. We are going to measure them. They are small, like 2 inch by 1.9 inch. Let's measure them. I took my ruler with a piece of paper and pencil and I wrote the width. I had 2 inch for the width. You see where the hole is from the hole to the other side. The height is about 1.9 inch. Okay, 1.9 inch. I'm going to write it on my piece of paper. Here you can see it better when I put the paper behind it. You see that it's not really 2 inch, but like around 1.9. Okay, I'll write it down. Height is 1.9 inch. So this is what we're going to use in Silhouette Studio. For this project, I'll be using Pui sublimation paper. This is the 8.5 by 11 size. This is amazing paper. We have it on the website. And also Pui sublimation ink. These come in 4 colors, in magenta, cyan, yellow, and black. The colors will be very, very vibrant. You will see it yourself. Even these labels here are sublimated. Look at how popping the color is. Let's go there. One of the images that I'm going to sublimate on the keychain is a QR code. So I'm going to make my QR code in Canva. Let me go in here really quick. And then I'm going to add a page. I have an 8.5 by 11 page here. And I'll go to apps. And in apps, you go to discover and you scroll down. Scroll down and here you will see QR code. You have this one and this one. Okay, we are going to work with both of them. I'll select this one right here and it says here open. I'm going to open it. Now we have everything here, and here you're going to paste your URL. For instance, https puidesigns.com. Okay, so I'm going to go to my thing here and I'll select it, Pui Designs. Okay, and then I will select all. Let me see. Yeah, I will get this one right here, copy it, and then bring it into Canva and I'll paste it in here. Okay, and then it will generate my code for me. You see the code is right here. This is the QR code of my website. Okay, with the QR code thing here. Let's go back to apps. You can also use the other one, this one here too. Let's go to it. We have the Pui Designs in our clipboard. I'm going to select this and I'm going to select it from here. Pui Designs, and it says you can give a description of an image. Let's say I say a rocket ship. Okay, rocket ship, and I'll generate it. Okay, here it is. You see the QR code is here and the rocket ship is in the back because it use an image together with it. Okay, now I'm going to download my files. I go to share, I go to download, and I'll choose PNG and I'll choose only page 2. This one right here, page 2, because you see it here, page 2. I'll download it and I'll bring it into Silhouette Studio and resize it right in there. So here I am in Silhouette Studio. I'll go to File, Merge, and then I'll bring it into here, right here. I'll bring it in this right here. Okay, right here. Okay, my keychain blank is this size. So I'm going to create a box with this size. I'll go here and I'll create a box. Let's say I'll make it gray. And then I'm going to work with my measurement up here. I'm going to unlock it. And then the height is 1.9. Okay. And the width is 2 inch. Okay. So let's go closer. So this is the size of the actual blank. Okay. This is the size. But you know, when you make templates, it needs to be bigger than the blank. Okay. So to make it big, to make the template, you know what we're going to do? We're going to have this selected, go to offset and add offset around it. You see the offset right there. Okay. I have offset around it. It's not that big, but it's there. Okay. And then I'll apply it. Okay. So this is the template we're going to work with. Okay. Okay, I have my images. Let me do this really quick. I'm going to cut out the thing. I'm going to crop it out. Let me find the box. A box. That's easier. Make a red box. Red box. I will bring the transparency down. You find transparency in here. Bring the transparency down and put it over it. Look what we're going to do. Let's do it really quick. I'm gonna put it like so. You see that? Like so. Since it's white, I'm gonna keep it like this. And then bring this one like this. Okay? And like so. I'm gonna crop it out. I'll duplicate this. And I'll bring it over here. And I'll make this a little bit bigger too. So that it can fit. Okay? And then I'm going to select both. And I'm going to make them compound. Have this selected. And select the paper. And I'll go to crop. And I crop them both out. And then they are separately. You see what I did? Okay. So these we're going to make to the size of these. Actually, we don't have to do anything with it. It's precisely the size. Okay. So this it will be. And after I print it, I will have to cut it with a little bit of paper around it. Okay. So this is pretty good. Okay. Let's go to this one. Oh, it's exactly the size. I will make it a little bit bigger. That's what I'm going to do. I'll send it to the back. And then make this transparent. Again, transparency is very, very important. Okay. And then I will select the image. I need to make it as big as the page, as the template. Okay. As the template. The most important thing is that the QR code is inside. You see it's inside the gray part. So the QR code is in there. Okay. So this is good to go. Send it to the back. Okay. So this one is good to go. So let me go to the other images. These are AI images. So I'm going to measure them to this size. Okay. So this is the AI image. I'm going to bring it over here. I want everything to show on it. I want everything to show on it. So I'll be making it smaller. Make it smaller. So that it can fit in here. Get bigger. Okay. So I think I like it like this. Because I want the headphone to be to show also. See? So this here is the so this here is the size of the keychain. And the big one here is the template. So the image should fit the template. Okay, so this here, this one right here, this one here, I made it for my son. It's also a AI image. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, put it here. I want everything to show. I'm gonna send it to the back. Okay, this is the size of the keychain, and the one here is the template. So I'm going to bring it into the template. Let me drag it a little bit. Okay, this will work. Okay, it will work. Let me bring it down. So this will work. And this face, smiley face here, is grouped to it. So I can make them smaller. Okay, and push them up on the image. Yeah. So this one will fit also. This one will fit. So let me group them again. And this is number 3. I'll go back here to this one. This one is just like the size. Let me see, 2.2 by 2.2. It's bigger than this, so it will fit. It has a white background, so it will fit. So this one will be here. And this I'm going to put on the side. These are the images that I'm going to print for my keychain. And this one right here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to print. Actually, we can spice up the color a little bit. Let's do that. Let's go here to this mama. To this one, I'll go to my color effects, image effects. I go to the sun, and then I will make it a little bit brighter, more contrast on it, and more saturation. Make it more beautiful. Okay, that one is there. This one too, brighter. That one is that. I'll go to this one, make it brighter. You see how beautiful it becomes? Yep. And this one, I don't know if I want to make it brighter, but the contrast surely should be there. And saturation. Okay, and apply it. So I have these 4. You see how beautiful the colors are? You see that? You see the difference between these two? You see the difference between these two is this one is nicer. So I'm going to print them. Let me check my print border really quick. My print border. Okay, my print border is good. My paper is 8.5 by 11, so I have these here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna print, and now we're gonna press them. Let's go press them. So I printed my work on sublimation paper, PUI sublimation ink. Now I'm going to like trim the sides a little bit there, and then I'm going to place it on my keychain. I make sure that the parts that I want, like the parts that I want, and I also edit her name on it. I get that on the keychain. So I'm going to tape them. Okay, and I'll tape it really tight. Tape it really well. You can use excessive tape if you want to, but you need to tape it really well. Like, go in there and tape them so that the paper can stick to it. Tape it really well. So that's what I did, and I taped all of them. Okay, I'm using clear heat tape here, but you can see it. You can see it on the you can see it on the other side, but you can see it on this side that is really tape. You see a little bit on there, and also I did this one. Tape them also really well, and then I understood that the other one was too small. I understood that this one was the keychain one was too small, so I'm going to make it again and make it bigger. So here is the 4th one. I made it bigger so that the whole QR code can come on the keychain, and then I taped it. Please tape them well, not too much tape, but tape them really well so that the paper doesn't move. And here we have them. Let's go sublimate them. I use this Walmart parchment paper to cover them, but I also use Teflon sheet on my heat press. So it's almost 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to place my work, my items on the mat right here on top of the Teflon sheet. And after I place them there, I'm going to cover them with the parchment paper. Okay, cover them really nice with the parchment paper. Yep. And then I'm going to press them. Okay, I'm going to press them for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And they are already done. So I'm going to bring them inside and let's go see what we have. So let's see what we've got. I let them cool down because if you peel them right away after you sublimate them, they will burn your hands. So I let them cool down for like 10 minutes and now I can uncover them, like refill them without without burning my hand. Okay, look at this one. It came out so nice. It came out very well. Oh, my daughter will love it. She will love it. Let's go to this next one. Oh, this is for my son. He loves things like lightning bolt and stuff. Okay, this one is my keychain. It came out really well. You see the whole um QR code came out on the keychain. And this is the last one. It was simple. My son wanted a rocket shape, black and white. I don't know why this kid. So I put his name in it. Okay, so here they are. They came out really well. I love them. And now I'm going to add the rings to them. It comes with uh, um, a plastic thingy that you can attach to it to hold the ring, like it's between the ring and the keychain. So insert it first, put the ring, and then I'm going to close it, like insert it. It gives a kind of sound. And so I put them in on all of the other ones, all of them, and these make great gifts, especially the one with the QR code. When you go out, you can let talk about your business and let people scan it to see your website. And this is for my website. You can go and do it, go and make it. Even if you make only one, these keychains you can find at Michael's, or you can also find them on Amazon. So go and make yours. Make for you and your kids or for your friends. Especially the one with a keychain. You can carry it on your key everywhere you go. And let people scan it to see your website. Okay? So you never forget about your things again. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And also, if you want to be a member of my YouTube channel, don't forget to join. You will get classes and files, Canva templates, SVG files, and PNG files. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.